Good morning. Let us study about development of teacher education. In this present slides and video, we'll be talking about the development of teacher education in the ancient period. The development of teacher education in India is divided into four phases, that is the ancient period, the Muslim period, the British period, and the pre-independence period. In this video, we'll be talking about the ancient period. Uh, if we talk about development of teacher education, the ancient and medieval period do come from 2500 BC to 500 BC. The Buddhist period from 500 BC to 1200 AD. Muslim period since the time of the invasion of Muslims in India, that is 1200 AD to 1700 AD. And the British period from the commencement of the British East India Company, that is from 1780 to 1947. And after the independence, the teacher education is attributed to the post-independence era. Now, since teacher education, if we define, it is the preparation for teachers, and our purpose here is to just check out how this particular present status or the structure of teacher education has turned up. So, in this, we'll be instantly talking about the development of teacher education in the ancient period. As the time suggests, the ancient period was long, nearly 2.5 centuries back, that is from 2500 BC in India. This can be regarded as the most ancient civilization and having a formal structure of teacher education. In the beginning of the ancient period in Indian context, the Hindu civilization was concerned with the teaching of the religious text that was called the Vedas. And the entire society was divided into four varna or four classes, that is the Brahman, Kshatriya, Vash, and the Shudra. And education was under the purview of the Brahman, who served as the teachers, and they committed the entire community. They were committed to entire community for teaching, and the teaching was basically about the teaching of the religious texts, that is the Ved and the Upanishad. The purpose of conservation and promotion of knowledge was the responsibility of the Brahmins, and they also transmitted the entire knowledge to the further generations. The major method was the oral method, since written texts were not developed at that time, so all the knowledge passed from generations to generations through oral procedures. In Vedic India, the teacher, if we talk about the status of the teacher, in Vedic society, that is the ancient period, the teacher was a very renowned and respectable person. He acquired a special status and had high esteem because of the deep knowledge and understanding. Since it was a very strict process and required qualities of head and heart, so the preparation of a teacher was not an easy job. Everyone was not under the category or the quality of acquiring the position of a teacher. So in ancient times, the teacher possessed the extreme good qualities, very great knowledge, and spiritual wisdom to become a teacher. The selection and preparation of the teachers was very systematic and strict process in which rigorous examinations and tests need to be given to become a student and then to become a teacher. In the ancient period, the teacher was uh, prepared by basically the monitorial system in which the older and abler pupils acted as the monitors in the institutes which were called the gurukuls. So we can say that the gurukuls were the preparatory places for the teachers, and in this the in these gurukuls the guru were there and their students were there. Those students who were older and had some immense potentials, those were nominated by the teacher or the guru as the monitor, and they used to guide the younger pupils, and these would further become as the prospective teachers. So the entire procedure of teacher preparation was not very structured, but it was amalgamated with the educational institution, that is the gurukul, and there the student also used to teach and the teachers were also prepared side by side. This was the method of induction of the pupils into the position of the teachers, and this contributed a lot to the ancient education system. In this Upanishadic period, the personal attention was important, the qualities of student was important to become a pupil first and then to a teacher. Everyone has the moral values and the guidelines which need to be followed to become a teacher. So this in this we discussed about in the structure of the preparation of teacher in the ancient period. The structure of the preparation of teacher in the ancient period.